early retirement?
Yeah, you're gonna be able to play lots of golf and spend time with the grandkids.
I don't have grandkids.
Well, now's your chance to get some.
Mush! Mush!
I'm mushing!
Why would there be little holes in this wall? Maybe people put pennies in them.
Oh, look at the time. Hey, this wall tastes like dirt.
More tea, Mrs. Rockbottom?
Don't mind if I do, Mr. Boulder.
Wow, cookies! Hope this turns out better than the last time someone left baked goods on my doorstep.
Awkward?
Awkward.
It'll just be another minute.
This is Stick the Badger, and I jumped out of an airplane to prove to you all that I'm not crazy!
But who's your friend? I'm the medic. I'll give her the pillow.
I want to give her the pillow so I can be more like my hero, Knuckles!
Your shoddy craftsmanship brings shame on all hedgehog kind.
Meteors are shooting stars. We shouldn't be running. We should be making wishes. I wish for a pony.
And I wish you'd take cover.
How come your wish came true?
Brace yourself, my friend, because there's nothing but sunny skies ahead for this.
Dude, this means like 5 years old.
He's a waif. The orphan of our times. A lost child oblivious to the never-ending sea of despair. How poetic.
Come from?
When the bad luck leaves me, where does it go?
Looking into your eyes is like looking into a pair of eyes. Grab claws connected to the trap jaw's connected to the scoop maw's connected to the positively charged resistor coupling ion matrix.
It's now illegal to use your finger to activate a weapon.
I think this village should have moving sidewalks.
I don't know.
Do you want to live in a world without moving sidewalks?
Excellent argument. Approved. With meme. Approved.
Come on, guys! Wait for me!
Is this a towel?
What am I supposed to cover with that? Are you making fun of me?
I can't believe I never thought of this before. I'll handle this. Now you've made me mad.
I want to be just like you when I grow up.
Knuckles, you've been elected governor!
All in a day's work.
I can't believe I'm having lunch with Sonic the Hedgehog. We even ordered the exact same meal, chili dog fries and a grape soda.
I got an orange soda.
This is all wrong!